We are here to provide a voice to the millions of honest, law-abiding Coloradans who were ignored by their governor as well as by the majority party in their state house. We watched as the president, New York billionaire Mayor Michael Bloomberg, and the leaders of his party as they're now throwing their political clout behind continued efforts to pose yet more and more gun control laws on Colorado. While these dedicated county sheriffs stand here publicly for the rights of their citizens, the president later today will be hiding behind the walls at the Denver Police Academy, surrounding himself with hand-picked audience of gun control supporters and police employees coerced to his political rally as he declares victory for the Denver governor, John Hickenlooper. We are here to remind you that the voices of the 62 elected Colorado sheriffs were silenced by the leaders of the majority party in the state house. Your governor found it too inconvenient to even allot 15 minutes to hear the concerns of the sheriffs of his state. While the gun magazine ban and background check laws may, I repeat, may have been well intended, the truth is the way they are written simply went too far. We understand. We have actually read the bills. There is nothing in those bills that would have prevented the violence in Aurora or in Newtown.